managedIP Hosted Receptionist is an attendant console specifically developed for hosted environments. It enhances business processes and delivers rich services in a user-friendly way. In other words, managedIP Receptionist helps manage incoming calls. Let's look at one example of how this product is commonly used.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Simmons Surveying Service. This is Robin. How may I direct your call? Just 1 minute, please. Oh, hi there. I heard you might be asking about managedIP Hosted Receptionist. Well, I handle most of the calls coming in, and I've been using Hosted Receptionist to manage the high volume of incoming calls. And this has made me more productive and created a better customer experience. Let me tell you about that. Before using managedIP Hosted Receptionist, my world was very different. With over 125 people just in this office, it's hard to manage them all. Whenever a call came in, I first had to look up the person's extension online. Then, if I wanted to transfer a call, in order to see if the employee was available, I always had to call first while the customer was on hold. This process slowed down our ability to talk to customers, caused customers to have longer wait times, and we even missed some calls. Obviously, this was not ideal for anyone. As a result, we frustrated our customers and ended up losing some of them. There had to be a better way to handle incoming calls and increase our overall efficiency. If we wanted to continue to grow as a company, we needed to be more professional when handling our customers' calls. When we first saw managedIP Hosted Receptionist, I initially thought it seemed a lot like our station monitoring on my old phone, but the salesperson pointed out some key differences. First, Hosted Receptionist displays and works on my computer, so I don't have to worry about going through the menus on my phone to see who's available. It will display if the employee is on the phone and available, in a busy status, or even set to Do Not Disturb. Second, with the Enterprise package, I can easily search for who I want to transfer a call to, which makes it much more efficient for me to do my job. I also add notes to my contacts so I know if someone is on vacation or if I should transfer callers to someone else. Those two factors, along with the 125 people I'm monitoring, made it a no-brainer for us to get the Enterprise package. The Enterprise package has unlimited number of people I can monitor, and I can easily organize them how I want. Now, using Hosted Receptionist, my work life is much more efficient and productive. managedIP Hosted Receptionist comes in 3 versions to fit any size business. In fact, we decided to get a slimmed-down version of Hosted Receptionist for another office. Let me transfer you to Ted, the administrative assistant for that sales office. He can talk to you more about that. I have him as one of my favorites.
Hi there, this is Ted. Before transferring, Robin told me you wanted to hear about the managedIP Hosted Receptionist Office package I work with. Well, with a sales office of only 6 people, where we can receive a wide variety of calls based on what we are marketing, we needed a tool that makes it easy to manage those incoming calls. Our customers expect their calls be answered by a live person, and in order to transfer our customers to the right area, I needed more than just a phone-based solution for keeping track of our team's availability, while routing the calls efficiently and effectively. I know Robin has the much more robust package, but the flexibility of having 3 different options really makes this an ideal solution to the everyday tasks we have to take on. It's good to know we can grow into other hosted receptionist packages. There are 3 total: the Enterprise that Robin uses, the Office that I use that monitors 8, and then there is one in between, the Business package, which has 30 users that it can monitor. And we know, when the time is right, it's an easy transition to upgrade from the Office to the Business package, or even to the Enterprise, depending on our needs. Well, I hope that helped. Sorry, but I gotta get back to work.
So let's review. managedIP Hosted Receptionist is only available for managedIP hosted customers as a service they can add to make their office more efficient and productive. It is ideal for someone managing a high call volume, but will improve productivity for anyone managing any level of calls. Plus, with Hosted Receptionist being a web-based tool, there is no special software to install, and it is continually being upgraded and improved by TDS. Also, since it uses the computer screen to monitor calls, there is additional functionality offered by Hosted Receptionist. It has a tab system to help organize contacts and monitor staff so making and transferring calls is easy. Finally, let's take a look at the 3 versions. Here's some common features between them. Each has console features that allow our customers to search on and customize the way they view their contacts and records, multiple directory types to organize contacts and favorites to maximize efficiency, and calling features that provide any size business the tools they need to operate like a large corporation. Depending on your customer's requirements, these features might help determine which version your customer needs. For more information, click on the links below for marketing and additional product resources on your managed IP hosted receptionist product.